Ever wished you could just poof erase text from an image in Illustrator? Let's dive into how to do exactly that with ease in Adobe Illustrator. First, open your PNG image in Illustrator by using the Open command, or simply drag and drop the file into the program. The PNG will most likely come in as a single, rasterized image, meaning we can't directly edit the text like we would in a native Illustrator file. Notice your Layers panel. The image is likely on one layer. Our first method involves using the Direct Selection tool, which is shaped like a white arrow. Zoom in on the text you want to remove. Carefully select the area around the text you wish to remove next. We are going to duplicate a nearby area to cover the old words. Use the Selection tool and copy and paste an area of the image which is representative of the background. Position the copied section where you wish to erase the original text. As you can see, the background has replaced the original text. Experiment using different areas to see what feels most natural. Another useful method is to make use of a block of the same color as the background. First, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Drag and create a rectangle that covers up the text. Be sure to make the fill of the rectangle correspond with the background color of the PNG to make the alteration seamless. You might need to experiment a little to get it looking perfect. Also, don't forget to consider the layer order in the Layers panel to make sure your rectangle is placed correctly. Voila! You've successfully erased text from your PNG image in Illustrator. Now, you have the skills to transform your imagery. Remember to experiment with these techniques and have fun editing.